This broadcast is being transmitted at the request of the emergency broadcast system from civil authorities. All clear has been issued. The Red Eye Man has been captured by the Secure, Contain and Protect Foundation and has been transported to a research facility in Camden, Tennessee. However, we do have unfortunate news. 1,472 people have been killed by the entity, with 29 of them being children aged 3 to 12. 20 were injured, with 4 of the injured being children. If your house has been damaged, call your local restoration company. If you have been injured, call an ambulance to your location. We would like to say thank you to the Secure, Contain and Protect Foundation and the U.S. Department of Anomalies for capturing the creature. This concludes our broadcast for today.